Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You open Google Forms and start with a blank form. This gets you straight into the action. First, name the event and add the date/time and location so respondents immediately know context. Once done, add 2 required questions, name and email, and mark them required to prevent blanks. Make sure to use short answer type for both. Also set form language and theme quickly so the form looks official. These first steps give you a reliable base. Next, collect Rsvp specifics. Add a multiple-choice question for attendance with options yes, no, maybe so responses are easy to scan. Then add conditional sections. If they select yes, send them to a section that asks meal preferences or +1 details using checkboxes or a checkbox grid. Limit selections where needed. Once done, enable Add Other where appropriate. Make sure to use the 3-dot menu to send respondents to different sections based on choices, so you only ask relevant follow-ups. Finish by turning on response collection, and if you need 1 reply per guest, enable limit to 1 response and collect email addresses. Customize the confirmation message with next steps and any event policies. Once done, link responses to a Google Sheet to track totals and sort by attendance. Use filters or pivot tables for counts. If something breaks, 1 key troubleshooting tip. Check section branching rules and required fields. Wrong branching or an unchecked required box is the most common issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.